Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily generate bilingual subtitles on the CapCut mobile. So first, you just need to add your videos into CapCut, and to start generating the caption, go to Text and click on Auto Captions. And here to add a bilingual subtitles, you just need to enable this feature. So click on this and just select the secondary language for the subtitles. So I'm going to, let's say, add uh, Indonesian subtitle as the secondary. Go back and click on generate. Now CapCut will generating the captions. Just wait until it's finished. And after that, the bilingual subtitles are generated, and this will be the result. So the secondary subtitles will be shown at the bottom. Here you can always adjust the position on your video. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.